India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are.
And all Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and
I
sisters.
love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of.
And I am proud of.
Its rich.
Its rich
And varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always.
I shall always
Strive to be.
strive to be
Worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give.
I shall give
Respect to my parents.
respect to my parents,
Teachers. Classmates.
classmates,
Courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country.
To my country
And my people.
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion
In their well-being.
in their well-being,
Prosperity.
prosperity,
And all life.
and all life,
My happiness.
my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
The best advice I ever got was that knowledge is power and is to keep reading. A very warm good morning to all of you present here. Today I, Satya, here to represent today's morning assembly on the behalf of 10th class with my fellow mates. Updating ourselves every day is good and never-ending habit. We can always have this type of habit which show awareness toward our nation or society, and that is only possible when we eager shown. Now I would like to call Sukhvinder to enlighten us with today's news. Good morning everyone, my name is Sukhvinder and today I am here with some latest news. China shifts away from zero COVID by announcing more easy measures. Germany burst far-right cell floating to overthrow states. Some national news, Tamil Nadu is to experience heavy rainfall from December 8 to 11 as issued by Weather Department. Thank you and have a nice day. Good and inspiring thought can spice up our day. Reading new thought in the morning works like fire, which keep us smiling and encouraging. So to inspire us, I would like to call Jasmine and Tanya for thought.
Morning everyone. Today's thought. To learn to read is like lighting a fire. Every subject you split out is like a spark. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Thanks and have a nice day. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. You can speak well if your tongue can deliver a message of your heart. So to deliver a message, I would like to call Sangam for speech on a theme that is power of reading and self-study.
Good morning everyone. Today I Sangam here standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the topic that is power of reading and self-study. Reading is the best practice whether it's about reading a book or anything else. You get benefits in both situations. Reading not only improves your thoughts but also develops your perspectives. It prompts you to focus on the right path instead of choosing the wrong one. When a child goes to school, he starts learning things related to his life. Then he tries to learn all the things that can enhance his understanding. Whenever a person gets into the habit of reading, he brings concentration in the studies. This will ultimately make him to do self-study. Self-study is defined as something studied by one without any supervision or guide by any person. It would not be wrong to say it is a form of study in which the student himself is responsible in a such large extent. It can be defined as learning on your own, by yourself, or being your own teacher. At the last, I want to conclude my speech with a quote. None of the world's problems will have a solution until the world's individual becomes self-educated. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Now I would like to call Ramanpreet ma'am on stage.
A very warm and pleasant morning everyone. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
So students, as you all know, from last 3 days you are listening about reading and self-study. So how many of you have actually understand what is reading and what is the importance of self-study? Anyone from you? Would you like to answer? Yesterday your teachers also instructed you regarding reading and self-study. So have you adopted that habit yet or not? Today I am here to furthermore elaborate on this topic only. I won't take you much time. Just few tips for reading. First of all, for beginners, those who are not used to reading, those who really don't want to read or they don't have the habit of reading, just begin with small poems. You can begin with poems. आप उनको read करना शुरू कीजिए. धीरे धीरे आपकी ये हैबिट जो है छोटी पोइम फ्रॉम 5 मिनट्स आप इसको 10 मिनट्स पे शिफ्ट कीजिए. छोटे वे में स्टार्ट कीजिए. रीडिंग से ना आपकी एक तो आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन इम्प्रूव होगी, आपकी वोकैबुलरी भी इम्प्रूव होगी. यू विल डेफिनेटली बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चंस, पैराग्राफ्स, लेसन्स जो आपको आपकी बुक्स में दिए जाते हैं. और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम जिन बच्चों को समझ ना आने की है वो यही वजह है कि बच्चे रीडिंग ही नहीं करते. अगर आप प्रॉपरली 10 to 20 लाइन्स डेली रीड करोगे एटलीस्ट फॉर 10 to 15 मिनट्स रेगुलरली, ये आपकी साइकोलॉजी पे एक पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट देगी. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू टू डेवलप द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग. और रीडिंग आएगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप सेल्फ स्टडी के साइड ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे. आप ये सोच के रीडिंग या सेल्फ स्टडी नहीं करते कि हमें आधी बातें तो समझ में नहीं आती, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स, तो हम खुद क्यों पढ़ें. लेकिन अगर आप डिक्शनरी पास में रखते हो, एक बुक लेते हो, एक पोम लेते हो, उससे कुछ मेन वर्ड्स हैं, कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो आपको प्रोनाउंस करने नहीं आ रहे, यू कैन लुक इनटू डिक्शनरी, उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखो, उनका मीनिंग देखो और उनको यूज़ करो अपनी डेली वोकैबुलरी में. उस रीडिंग से ही आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी इम्प्रूव होगी, आपके स्पीकिंग स्किल्स भी इम्प्रूव होंगी. जैसे आपको सर ने भी कल बताया था और मैम ने भी बताया था कि रीडिंग होगी तभी आप कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव कर पाओगे. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू स्टैंडिंग हियर टू अडॉप्ट द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.
Now I would like to end of this assembly by some motivational lines in Hindi. खुद की काबिलियत पर भरोसा रख, जो गलती आज की है उससे सीख, मत मांग किसी के आगे अपनी सफलता के लिए भी. तू चलता रेगिस्तान है, तेरे अंदर कुछ करने की ठान है. तू रुक मत, तुझे करना कुछ महान है. तू अपने घर वालों की आस है, उनकी उम्मीदों की सांस है. इनको यूं ही नहीं जाया करना है, तुझे अपनी सफलता के लिए लड़ना है. This is the end of today's assembly. Thank you everyone for your kind of patience. Hope you all like it.
Students, every time we keep on talking about rules and regulations, कुछ instructions आपको दी गई हैं. You are already given some instructions which you people are not following properly. So once again I will highlight those problem areas we are facing. So first thing is that while moving to library, art and craft, music room, we hear a lot of noise. And the other thing is that most of the students skip these extra classes of library, art and craft, music classes. Why is it so? Many of you hide inside washrooms, some of you gather near corridors, some of you join other classes. So I request all the extra classes teachers to kindly take the attendance once class reaches to you. Another thing, all the teachers are also requested to don't take children to the ground. Whenever it's a main period like Hindi, Maths or English, no teacher is allowed to bring students to the ground. Another thing is regarding music room. Whenever you come for music class, you remove your shoes. There is lot of noise while coming and going. So as you all know, this corridor is admin block and there are lot many people working here. You are disturbing them by making noise. So it's a humble request, whenever you come for your music class, Maintain silence in the corridor as well as near your music room. Another thing is that the clothes you are wearing, make sure you tie the buttons properly. And another thing, that make a name slip inside your coats so that your coats are not lost. Ask your parents, अपने parents को बोलिए कि उस कोट के पीछे एक नेम कर दें, बिकॉज कई बार बच्चे गेम्स पीरियड में जाने के लिए अपने कोच रिमूव करके जाते हैं क्लास में, तो मिसप्लेसिंग की जो कंप्लेंट्स हैं हमारे पास बार बार आ रही हैं, तो यू नेम स्लिप, ओके, along with your class. And the last thing is your health and hygiene. We are seeing that many of the students are having dirty nails. I know it's winter. You people don't feel like bathing every day. So, but I still request you all, at least 5 days you should take a bath. You can skip 1 day in a week. Keep a hanky with you. Take bath daily. These are the all general instructions which were required. Thank you, and I hope you will follow the instructions properly. Thank you.
Pay attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Let's start national anthem. भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की. Pay attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now move towards your classes.
समस्त जग उठाओ,